Hello fellow SIMAGICians, I'm Alvin, and today we're here with the GT Neo, and I'm going to unbox it today and show you how the process looks, what's inside, as well as some features of the GT Neo. And then we're going to put it through its paces and go for a little drive. So let's dive into it. The GT Neo is the latest addition to the SIMAGIC lineup. It's a 300mm GT style racing wheel that is meant to create the sensation that you get while racing in a real-life GT car, and is meant to appeal to players all the way from entry level to experienced sim racers. So firstly, we'll open up the box here, and then you can see the protective cover for the GT Neo, and then there's a protective cardboard that's covering the actual wheel. So we're going to take out this cardboard that's covering the wheel, and then you can see the GT Neo wheel here that's been wrapped inside a plastic bag. And then you want to take out the wheel with the bag, and then take the wheel out of the bag. And then you can see the GT Neo wheel here with the quick release, with the protective sticker here. And then for all the accessories, they're hidden beneath the GT Neo card box. So you'll want to take it out, and then you can see this little thin box that's been hidden beneath the package box here. So you want to take it out, and then all the accessories for the GT Neo can be found inside this little thin box here, including the USB cable, the button cap stickers with the included Allen key and clipper, the encoder stickers, the GT Neo quick guide, and then some included SIMAGIC stickers alongside with all the accessories. And that is everything that you can find in the GT Neo box. So there are some features that I would like to take you through on the GT Neo wheel. The first thing being its carbon fiber composite material that it's crafted with, which gives it a very unique sort of shattered carbon look, which does look very appealing on the aesthetics, but at the same time, this material allows the wheel to maintain its rigidity while having a relatively light weight, which gives it a better force feedback feel when you're driving. The second thing being its ergonomic design, which apart from the handle being built out to suit the hands with better contact surface, at the same time, all the buttons and the thumb rotary encoders are relatively easy to reach within the thumb. So it gives it that little bit of ease and reduce the stress while you are driving. And the third thing being that it's newly revised QR design, which allows it to have more contact surface for mantling and dismantling the QR, which makes the whole process a little bit easier, which is always a good thing. So one good thing about the GT Neo wheel is that there's no assembly required for the wheel to work. You can take it out, and then you can just rip the protective sticker from the quick release, and then the wheel is ready to go for a drive. So right now, let's put the wheel onto the wheelbase and go for a drive and see how it does. So that's it for today's GT Neo Unboxed video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on various social media platforms if you haven't already. This is Alvin, and I hope to see you in the next one. But until then, keep racing, SIMagicians.